In this guide, I'll show you how to pair your Roku TV remote without a pairing button to either of these receivers. So the first thing you want to do is ensure you have a fresh pack of batteries in, or else this won't work. Then what you want to do is press and hold the home button and the back button on the top of your remote, and then you want to do this until the light in the top left corner starts flashing green. Now this means your remote is in pairing mode, and what you want to do after you've done this for about 15 seconds is to see if your remote now works with your Roku device. Now, if it doesn't work, the next thing we're going to be doing is flipping over the controller, and we're going to take the batteries out of this controller for about 15 to 30 seconds. This is going to power cycle the remote, and we're hoping that when we put these batteries back in, it's going to actually sync to our Roku device. So put the back on, and we're going to press and hold the two same buttons and wait and see if it connects. Now, if it doesn't connect, what I recommend you do with your Roku device for both of these is to totally unplug it. So we're going to power cycle it, so 15 to 30 seconds, leave your Roku device unplugged, and then you can plug it back in and see if your remote will pair. Now, in addition to that, I highly recommend you keep a clear line of sight between your remote and the Roku device, as this is going to ensure that obstructions aren't going to affect the signal from your remote to your Roku. If this video was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.